So whatever time I get
Hey guys, come with us to Orlando for our anniversary. So right now we're getting ready. I left my camera in the car, so I'm definitely recording off my phone. These are the shirts. About to finish getting ready. I gotta fix my edges, put my sunscreen on, everything, brush my teeth. Just the regular stuff.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yeah. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded.
Hey guys, now finished getting dressed. How I'm looking right now. I gotta put my personal nails on. They're in the car. We gotta put our bags in the car, and then after we put our bags in the car, we'll be getting on the road. So I guess after Wawa, I will see y'all while we're driving. Well, I'm driving because she's not driving.
I'm taking out.
So yeah, I got on my Lulu shorts with my shirt. Yeah, and my ears right here. I'm about to put them on. Okay. Yeah, I got my ears on.
Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the edge, I was at the end. Made me feel like nothing, like we're living. Made me feel alive, oh yeah. Tell me I'm a sign, baby, where would I be without your love beside me? Oh, baby, where would I be? Probably gone. Oh, cause it feels like a CPO. Cause it feels like a CPO.
We finna go get her some Mickey ears. Thank
No,
you.
we're not.
Yes, we are.
Waste your money.
Girl, we getting you some Disney ears. So yeah, we are now at Disney Springs. Somebody mad already.
Oh, move.
Angry Bird. Angry Bird. Angry Bird. Angry Bird. We finna go to the M&M factory. Yes, we are.
We're not going that first. We went there last time. We go for other stores.
We just made a TikTok, yeah. But there's nothing wrong with that. So we finna do a custom M&M picture.
Oh yeah, so now we're in the M&M factory and we finna do an M&M.
Let me see.
No, I know what picture I'm doing.
Loki needed the ones off the camera. Let me see.
It's only right
You
we
don't
do.
want my face?
It's only right we do an anniversary picture. This is the picture we chose.
Oh, wait.
to do it. I'm gonna do it. My hair, redo it.
Okay.
I don't cut my hair off.
I want the whole picture. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, it's cute. Not you eating it already.
You guys are all set? Have a good night.
Thank you. We finna try them, y'all. The cookie bar. Cute. Thank you, babe. Look at that cookie, y'all. Hi. Oh, these are big cookies. Oh, y'all got s'mores? Yeah, I'll get a s'mores cookie. Yeah, we'll just try that one. Just sign at the bottom of your. Yeah, we coming down the escalator now. We got found Lululemon. Oh, this pink cute. Oh, this cute. Yeah, look at this cute. This super cute. Okay, y'all, we're right here. It's called Chicken, guys. We don't know what we're gonna get though. They got milkshakes and stuff. I might want to try this.
I ordered that before, but I don't say
Loaded mac daddy. Mac and cheese.
I'm gonna get the mac and cheese. Yeah. I'm not putting it all.
You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone calls. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. LAOL, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me. And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you were cool, but it was game you had me fooled. 20 minutes after.
Look at the CocaCola factory. We're trying to find somewhere to take our pictures. It's so hard. Huh? We'll see. It's kind of like, I like this setting right here.
I like this little background. Alright, so we just got there taking some pictures. We just came inside the Coca-Cola factory. What they got in here? I want these on the back. I'm sorry. Finna go in the elevator. Pajama. We'll get back. We're trying to get up there. So what you got the elevator and it is. Yeah, big old jar.
We need something with our name. Oh, that's regular though.
It's either regular Coca Diet or something else.
No, not that one. I'm talking about the design. But you can put something, right?
That one or that one?
Let me see how this one looks. Oh yeah. You got it.
No capital. No, we need one together. I ain't drinking this.
Wait, hold on.
J and capitalize the A.
They don't do that.
It wasn't just my name.
They gotta go like this.
You doing Kim?
No, I'm doing Moira. Yes?
That's cute. That's how it came out, y'all.
So this is how we're gonna do it.
Come on. Oh, okay. Right there, bro.
This cute. She'll put this on her fridge.
Cut this pink.
I'm gonna get this for Lexi, y'all.
If you see this, then you know. Hey, look at this.
This one's cute too, though.
If it's pink or vanilla, get it for Lexi.
Right.
I thought it was. Let me have been on that all day. I haven't touched nothing. So that made me and she got pulled over. Hey, y'all, I thought she got pulled over because the way she just cut the car through. You talking about did I pass it? She ain't even know the police behind that nigga. I'm like, oh my goodness. Yeah, this the other fact. So the police was cool. He ain't give her no ticket or nothing. So the reason she got pulled over.
Recording? You should have kept recording.
This was funny. The reason she got pulled over was because apparently she didn't have her lights on. So I thought it was because she cut across the street. So we had Sonny. I thought because she cut across the street because she talking about did I pass it? And she just cut across and went over. The man got to the car. You know why I put her over? She talking about because I ain't used my blinker. Snitching on her own self.
My job never got pulled over before.
And then yeah, she talking about she seen lights. Bang, bang.
So we are at Desertland now because the first spot was closed.
No, it was open.
It was open, but the rides was closed. So
and they said it's gonna open back up, but we don't know how long. So
yeah,
we ain't
so
wanna
we
wait.
just came to Desertland. It's literally 3 minutes away.
I took that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it. All that I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking, now wait for me. I got it. Mommy, scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Okay, y'all, we leaving Desertland now. It was really
Hey, y'all,
fun.
I came in first place in that race, though.
I came in third, so yeah.
I'm really that. Let me show y'all.
Okay. And I was third. Thank you, Kim.
Look. Ooh, focus real good.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Y'all see it.
Good morning, guys. It's a new day. Disney Springs was a 10 out of 10. I do look a little crusty right now. Today we're going to Volcano Bay, and I bought this cooler. So we gotta put our Gatorade, waters, and what else in there? Sandwiches, chips, whatever. Just gonna go to the store and get some stuff. But it's like, if we do that, we low-key might as well just go to Subway. Cause Subway open at what time? 10?
She trying to find a TikTok song.
That's her friend. Okay, here go the real one. Okay, y'all, we're about to leave now. So yeah, we're about to go. We're about to get our stuff. It's overly hot. Can I do the Italian herb? Yes. You can do 6-inch. Yes, ma'am.
I do a 6-inch on white bread.
Italian herb. You can do turkey. Yes, ma'am.
How are you today?
Finding you.
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
That's good.
Thank you. Can I do ham and pepperoni?
Would like more or less of anything?
Let me get cover that.
I love it.
Yes.
Is that good?
Well, that's good. Alright, y'all. We at Volcano Bay. We about to get in the bus. Okay, y'all. So, we are in the bus right now. Waiting to go. We are here. We're at Volcano Bay. Let me take me a thumbnail picture.
You get on it. It's a water drop.
Woo-hoo!
It's a ride.
Yeah. So we about to find somewhere to sit down, eat our sandwiches. And after that, we're gonna get in the water. It's great timing. It's already hot out here.
When we leave here, we're gonna leave at like 6.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the B&B, take showers, and put on our second outfit.
And then we're gonna go to some places, probably. Umbrella.
Call my sister.
Hold on. Y'all, this is so good. So good. Okay, y'all, I got y'all in the case now. We in the water now, y'all. Come, turn this way.
Y'all, the water's so cold, man.
I just went down a 10-foot water slide, bro. And now we're gonna get on this. Oh, snap. Yo! Why I gotta be back? Whatever it's called.
Oh, hot.
Hey guys.
Must be in there.
Either. I hope y'all can hear us real good.
Hey, W Trill. For us to book something on our own for the first time, I feel like we actually did good.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody help us.
Yo, they done turned the waves on. Can't help. I'm over here losing my life. Is that working? Yeah, it's working. Y'all, this is what we about to get in right now. We'll get on. Somebody get in. We in the lazy river now. We can't record.
They had us twisting and turning every way.
Literally.
Look, y'all, I'm glad after that ride. They had me tossing and turning in the air.
We being quick right now. I'm getting the wedgie. Being like this. What? A leaf? Of a hoe? But yeah. Oh. Wait, we supposed to go that way. Are they the same? Oh, they're the same. Okay.
You want to get splashed?
Yes, I want to get splashed. I missed it.
Oh, look at me.
We're in the cave. Yo, we're trying to find the volcano child, but we can't find it.
Hey, I am so tired. But, you know, I can't go to sleep because we got to enjoy this vacation, right? You can't sleep when you're on vacation. But if I was home, I'm trying to go sleep. I got her picked up right now. Basically, going to sleep. We're going to go to our seats. And we got some shade.
Guys, we have made it back. It's currently, what time?
8:38.
It's currently 8:38 and we're about to find something to do since a lot of stuff was closing early since it is Sunday. So yeah, y'all, the queen gotta fix her hair, her edges, glue her track a lot, okay? We're back with Elsa and Anna now. Y'all, look at my hair. Fit for today. I go Nike 2-piece set, silver curd, white Nike socks with my 12s right there, but I gotta put the lace on them. But yeah, we finna get in the shower, everything. I will see y'all once I get out and ready. Hey guys, so it is now 10:58 and we are looking, well, we're about to go try this taco spot and it's literally called the taco spot. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, they come and check on me.
Yeah.
And she talking about I'm slow, y'all. She talking about my mama get a check.
Yes, I need to call her mama because I know she get a check.
Shut me up. Yo.
So yeah, we about to go now. This is where we are now. Ooh, or chicken. You want to try all of them?
Heck no. You know your boy ain't even eat that much.
Oh, wait, the camera's right here. Wait, click taco and then go. Okay.
You trying to add the combo?
Yeah, hold it.
Hey, yo, why
Okay, I
you
might
trying
want
to
to do this one. Two burrito tacos. I'll do a family drink.
I don't want no fries. I do want taco. No secret safe
Ooh,
with
they
me.
got sour cream.
Go ahead and add it. Oh, this our outfit, y'all.
Oh yeah, we got so yeah.
Yeah.
Show them me.
You know, we matching again. Yes. Yes. It's okay though. It's okay.
You wanna go by your?
We can lay that on anyway. I really want to go to Icon Park and get a
We can
shaved
still
ice.
go there. You want to?
Yeah, but I want shaved ice with that because bitch, oh my goodness, so gas.
Okay, y'all. So the fruit just got here. I gotta remove the sauce off the things. I can show y'all. Burrito tacos and fries, and then of course the sauce. How the fries taste?
It's good.
It's hot.
Good. I'm just fucking whatever you do. I never put no lime on the taco.
That's fine. Good morning, guys. So last night we went to Icon Park. I didn't really record because everything was really closed. Like, literally just got ice cream. And then, yeah.
I'm tired. I had to wake up like 50 times to get up this morning.
Everything is in the car packed and we're about to go. We need to look for somewhere to eat first and then we're gonna get on the road. I got lines on my head. Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all, we at the lick and hopefully they open. They don't look open. Somebody else. Drink. I got a mystery drink.
I got blue raspberry lemonade.
Okay, y'all, this is my food. This is her food.
Oh, yeah, I know you got nothing. What you mean? I thought saying no, I mean, so I did.
So everybody eat. Take a picture.
Hey, child, we leaving now. We're trying to get ready to get on the road and go home. Where you going? You're on the wrong side.
So you driving the alley.
Oh, I said you drive the first one. Hey, please. Oh, yeah, y'all. I don't want to talk, bro.
In a tight dress, girl, you a killer. And ain't nobody realer. And ain't nobody realer. Go, 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 go.